What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix the owner smartphone that won't send MMS messages. So to fix this issue, first of all check your network connection. So if your network is providing you 3 bar or less than 3 bar of signals, then your network connection is not good. So move to a place where you can get good signals, and after getting good signals and fixing the network issue, if you are still having issue while sending the MMS messages, then turn on mobile data. So to send mobile data, you have to turn on, to send MMS messages you have to turn on mobile data. So without turning on mobile data, you cannot send MMS messages. But after turning on mobile data, if you are still facing the issue, then try restarting your phone. So to restart, press and hold the power button, and then from this menu tap on restart. So when you will tap on this restart option here, it will restart your phone, and restarting your phone can fix small software glitches like MMS messages issue. But after all these solutions, if you are still facing the issue, then the last solution is open settings. Scroll down to the end and click on system and updates, and then in system and updates click on reset. Now click on reset network settings, and then here in reset network settings again tap on reset network settings option here, and when you will tap on this option, it will reset all your Wi-Fi, mobile data and Bluetooth settings, but it will not delete any data from your phone. And after doing this, the MMS messages issue will be 100% fixed. So that's how you can fix the owner smartphone that is not sending the MMS messages. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.